Welcome to Henry channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade RAM for a Dell Latitude 5430. Let's get started. This is the RAM, guys, DDR4 RAM. I want to upgrade it in this laptop. So you turn the laptop on the other side, you undo these screws. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in total. So once it's undone, it's going to look like this. You need a screwdriver like this, remove them all, not remove them all I mean, but undo them because they don't remove. So use a pray tool like the one I've got in my hand and go across here and unclip the casing cover. So this will take some time. I fast forwarded everything. So guys, I'm gonna show you now. It's gonna open the back casing cover. So let me put my fingers in between now. You lift up the cover and you can see the RAM, the DDR4 memory. As you can see, there's one slot occupied there, but this one I'm gonna upgrade. So you flip it around, it has to be aligned like this. You clip it into place, you will hear a click noise. And that's the RAM, guys. Very easy. Don't forget to put the back casing cover back on and tighten the screws. I hope this video has helped you guys. Please check out my other videos too, and please like and subscribe to the channel if you can. Thank you for watching.